We'll guide you through how to download and install TikTok on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You've probably used TikTok on a phone before, but on a computer it's much bigger and you may prefer using a computer. So let's get started. To do this, we do need to go and use the App Store on our computer. So click on search and you can go and type in Microsoft Store like so. Then all you need to do is go to the top and tap on search. And you can go and type in TikTok. You can browse through the store, but I prefer to search for it. You can then go and tap on it. You can go and read through it, but you can come over to the left and click on install. And it will then start downloading and installing. It shouldn't take long. When it's ready, you'll go and see the option for open, which you can click on. And you can also just search at the bottom to open it up as well. And here we are, it'll go and load. You can start scrolling through, but you can also go and log into your account in the top right if you wish to. If you found this guide useful and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.